Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 PIN not working after an update. First, go to the sign-in screen on your computer. If your PIN is not working, click on Sign-in options below the PIN box. Now select the password option. Enter your account password to log into your system. Once you are inside Windows, open Settings. Go to Accounts, then click on Sign-in options. Find the PIN option under Windows Hello. Click on Remove and confirm your password if asked. After removing the PIN, click on Setup. Now create a new PIN and confirm it. This will fix most PIN issues after a Windows update. If you are unable to sign in using your password, go back to the login screen. Click on I forgot my PIN. Follow the on-screen steps. You will need to enter your Microsoft account password. After verification, you can create a new PIN directly from there. If both methods do not work, you can reset your Windows. On the login screen, hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on Restart. This will open the recovery blue screen. Now click on Troubleshoot, then select Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your system. This will remove apps and settings, but your personal files will stay safe. After the reset is complete, you can sign in again and set up a new PIN. Thanks for watching.